Let's install Open JDK 17 on Windows 11. Open your browser. Search. Download Java, Open JDK and hit enter. Click on the first link. Here, Open JDK 17 is the latest version. Therefore, click here to go to the download page. Click here to download Open JDK 17 zip package. Once the download completes, open the Downloads folder and extract the downloaded zip file. Now, open a new File Explorer window, go to C drive and create a new folder with the name Java. Open this folder and copy the extracted Open JDK folder from the Downloads folder to this folder. Open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Open the searched option and click on Environment Variables. Click on the new option under System Variables. Here we are creating a new environment variable with the name Java_home. In the variable value field, we have to give the path of JDK 17 folder. Therefore, we will copy the path of JDK folder inside C drive and paste it into the variable value field and click on OK. Now, select the environment variable with the name path and click on Edit. Click on New option and type %Java_home%bin and click on OK. Close all the unnecessary windows and open Command Prompt. Here, we will check if the Java is installed on our computer or not. For that, type Java-version and hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully installed Open JDK 17 on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.